G'day guys, I'm Russell from Cap Industries, and today I'm doing an installation video for a Toyota MR2 SW20. The fire extinguisher comes with the hardware required to install the fire extinguisher, like these M5 nuts and bolts and washers. You can install any fire extinguisher, but today I'm just going to install this one that we sell on our website, a twin latch one. But like I said, you can use any extinguisher, just make sure you use one with a metal cage. Let's go do it. The tools required to install is just a 14mm spanner or socket and a couple of 8mm spanners. The first thing you need to do is just remove the little plastic seat covers, and you just pop them off with your finger. They just pop off nice and easy. And then remove the two front bolts. Then install the extinguisher cage onto the Cap Industries bracket. Just find a little spot where you think it will be nice, maybe about there, and then install it. After you've installed the extinguisher cage onto the bracket using the M5 nuts and bolts, then just place it in and use the factory seat bolts to attach it. And just always do them up hand tight, and then tighten them up. With your little plastic seat cover, it does need a little trim to install. So if you don't want to do that, I recommend just putting it in the glove box until you want to take your fire extinguisher out and then put it back to factory standards. Sweet. After you've done all your bolts up nice and tight, then just slip the extinguisher into its cage and clip them all up. Job done.